Baking soda, a humble white powder found in nearly every kitchen, has earned its reputation as a truly versatile household essential. Though most know it as a leavening agent for baking, its uses extend far beyond the world of culinary creations. Today, we'll explore 15 genius ways to harness the power of baking soda throughout your home, your daily routines, and even your health. Let's begin with its legendary cleaning abilities. Baking soda's gentle, abrasive quality makes it perfect for scrubbing surfaces without scratching. Simply sprinkle it onto a damp sponge and tackle grimy countertops, sinks, and stovetops. Its alkaline nature helps break down grease and food residue, leaving surfaces sparkling clean and odor-free. This method is especially effective in the bathroom for removing soap scum from tiles and tubs. Next, baking soda shines as a natural deodorizer. Unlike commercial air fresheners that mask odors, baking soda neutralizes them. Place an open box in your refrigerator or sprinkle some in your trash can to banish unpleasant smells. You can even freshen up carpets and upholstery by sprinkling baking soda, letting it sit for 15 minutes, and then vacuuming thoroughly. The result? A fresher, cleaner living space without synthetic fragrances. Laundry day brings another opportunity for baking soda's magic. Adding half a cup to your washing machine, alongside your regular detergent, helps soften water, boost detergent performance, and eliminate stubborn odors from clothes and linens. For musty towels or gym clothes, baking soda works wonders in restoring freshness and softness. Baking soda's usefulness extends to personal care. It's an excellent, gentle exfoliant for skin. Mix a tablespoon with enough water to form a paste, then massage it onto your face or body in circular motions. This homemade scrub removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and revitalized. However, be sure to use it sparingly and avoid sensitive areas to prevent irritation. For dental hygiene, baking soda has long been valued as a natural toothpaste alternative. Its mild abrasiveness helps polish teeth, and its alkaline properties neutralize acids that contribute to bad breath. Simply dip your toothbrush in baking soda and brush gently, but limit this practice to occasional use to avoid wearing down enamel. If you're troubled by insect bites or minor skin irritations, baking soda offers soothing relief. Mix it with a bit of water to create a paste, then apply it directly to the affected area. The cooling sensation helps reduce itching and inflammation, making it a handy remedy for bug bites, sunburns, and even mild rashes. Have you ever struggled with clogged drains? Baking soda to the rescue. Pour half a cup down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. The resulting fizzing reaction helps break up grease, soap scum, and other blockages. After 15 minutes, flush with hot water for a clear, free-flowing drain. This method is not only effective, but also safer for pipes and the environment than harsh chemical cleaners. Baking soda also helps extend the life of your produce. To remove pesticides and wax from fruits and vegetables, dissolve a couple of teaspoons in a bowl of water and soak your produce for a few minutes before rinsing. This simple wash ensures your food is cleaner and safer to eat. In the kitchen, baking soda is indispensable beyond baking. If you accidentally burn food onto the bottom of a pot or pan, sprinkle baking soda over the residue. Add a little water and let it soak for a while. The burned bits will loosen, making cleanup much easier. This trick can save your favorite cookware from stubborn stains. Odor control. In shoes is another genius use. Sprinkle baking soda into your shoes and let it sit overnight to absorb moisture and eliminate unpleasant smells. Shake out the excess powder before wearing and enjoy fresher, more comfortable footwear. Pet owners know the challenges of keeping their homes fresh. Baking soda can help with pet odors too. Whether it's litter boxes, pet beds, or carpets, a generous sprinkle of baking soda, followed by vacuuming, keeps your space clean and welcoming for both you and your furry friends. For those who enjoy gardening, baking soda can support plant health. Sprinkle a small amount around tomato plants to help prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Additionally, mixing baking soda with water and a bit of dish soap creates a gentle spray for controlling pests on roses and other garden plants. Baking soda also comes to the rescue in the kitchen when you need a quick fire extinguisher. If a small grease fire erupts on your stovetop, Tossing baking soda onto the flames can help smother the fire by releasing carbon dioxide and cutting off the oxygen supply. It's a handy emergency tool to keep nearby, though never substitute it for proper fire safety precautions. On the culinary front, baking soda is a secret weapon for tenderizing meats. Marinate tougher cuts with a sprinkle of baking soda, letting it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing and cooking. The result is a more tender, flavorful meal without the need for expensive tenderizers. Finally, baking soda's ability to neutralize acids means it can help soothe heartburn and indigestion. Dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink slowly to relieve discomfort. While this is generally safe for occasional use, consult your healthcare provider before making it a regular remedy. In summary, baking soda is much more than a baking ingredient. It's a multi-purpose powerhouse for every room in your home. From cleaning surfaces and deodorizing spaces to supporting personal care and emergency preparedness, its applications are nearly endless. Whether you're removing stains, freshening laundry, soothing skin, or maintaining a healthy environment, baking soda proves that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Embracing these 15 genius uses for baking soda can save you time, money, and reliance on harsh chemicals. With just one box, you unlock a world of practical benefits, making everyday tasks easier, safer, and more environmentally friendly. So the next time you reach for baking soda in your pantry, remember, its potential goes far beyond baking. It's the secret ingredient for a cleaner, fresher, and healthier home.